fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the second day of June, a very hot day as expected, and a few isolated storms have bubbled up again today. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots this afternoon. These taken about 2:30. That's a view coming from Tuscaloosa. Pretty decent buildups there in West Alabama, and some storms are not too far south of Tuscaloosa. Down the road in Sumter County, the sky mostly sunny at Livingston. That's the Skycam on the campus of the University of West Alabama. And from Chilton County, that's the view coming from downtown Clanton. The sky mostly sunny there, but again, some storms not too far away. Water vapor satellite shot, pretty impressive upper level feature sitting over southwestern Kansas. But around here, you can just see the typical air mass storms like you see on a summer day. There's a look at the radar view, and you can see at 2:40, the stronger storms are between Tuscaloosa and Marion over parts of Bibb and Perry counties. In fact, Perry County is under a severe thunderstorm warning as I do this update for that storm north of Marion. And you bet it's hot. Are you kidding me? Look at Montgomery, 95 at 2 o'clock. That's more like August. Tuscaloosa and Gadsden at 90, and Birmingham and Anniston sitting at 89. Organized severe weather today up on top of the ridge from western Texas up through parts of the Midwest and then over to the Atlantic coast. That includes places like Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Kansas City, Indianapolis, Washington, D.C., and Baltimore. In day two, a slight risk from about Louisville, Kentucky over to Chesapeake Bay. And here's a look at the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of well over 1 inch here. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Wednesday. And you can see how the ridge is beginning to break down here. A little vortex around Texarkana off to the west, big upper level low west of San Francisco. Up north, big polar vortex over eastern Canada. But what that means for us is that we should begin to see a general increase in the number of showers and thunderstorms in scattered spots tomorrow. And then Thursday should be the day with the best coverage of rain. Surface low moving into northwest Alabama, upper level trough coming through. So cloudy with a good chance of showers and storms, not nearly as warm. Highs in the low 80s. Maybe some spots reaching only the upper 70s up in North Alabama. And just for the fun of it, note that 1,040 millibar high over northern Canada in the Northwest Territories up there. It's some cold air for summertime. Of course, not going to make it down here. Friday, the GFS has the surface low east of here, and it sure looks like that will be a day where the sky becomes mostly sunny. You know, we saw that run last night, the OZ run that kind of kept the rain in on Friday, but this is more in line with our current forecast. So maybe some lingering showers Friday morning over East Alabama, but we think the dry air will take over during the day. And the weekend looks dry. There's a look at Saturday. We've still got a surface low over southern Georgia, but all of that stays east of here. Mostly sunny with upper 80s, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Looks like a dry day and a warm day. Monday of next week, weather stays quiet, mostly sunny, and on Tuesday, the same deal. We'll go out to the end of the forecast. This is the 18th of June. Got the 588 ridge poking in from the Atlantic. Westerlies up to the north, pretty typical June look. And again, nothing out of the ordinary. If this is correct, that would be warm and muggy with some risk of maybe a few scattered afternoon storms. You know that deal. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.